Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn how to perform fuzzy search and regex search in UiPath. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely, and if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. Today we are going to work with the fake name generator website, and we will try to understand about the fuzzy search and regex search. Okay, so first of all I will open the UI Explorer. My UI Explorer is opened. I will go back. I'll click on indicate element. Browser is highlighted, and let's say I will choose the name generator. So selector has been generated now, and let's say I want to remove a part of this title, and let's validate it. You can see that it is not able to validate the title. To perform the fuzzy search, what you have to do is, first you have to specify it as matching, and then you need to specify the attribute, which is title here, and then in single quotes you need to specify fuzzy, right? And the next we will put as fuzzy level, so it is going to be like fuzzy level, again the element, and then you need to specify the level. So level should be between 0 to 1. So if you put around 0.9 or 8, in that case it will look for exact match, right? And if you put with lower to like 0.1 or 0.2, then it will look for nearby matching of the element. Okay, so in this case if I put 0.8, you will see that it is not able to validate the element. But if I put 0.5, which is approximate matching, in this case it is able to identify the element, right? So what I will do is, I will copy this selected. I will go back to the UiPath. I will look for highlight, and here I'll go to the selector, and I will paste the selector which I copied from the UI Explorer. I will click on validate. You can see my select is able to validate the selector despite the fact that I have removed the part of the title which was fake name generated. I will click on OK, and here I will specify the color as green yellow, and I want to keep it for 2 seconds. So I have specified as 2000 because 1000 will be 1 second and 2000 will be 2 seconds, right? The next thing that we want to learn about is regex search. For that, what I will do is, I will go to the UI Explorer, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to indicate the element again, and here we have this selector generated, and in this I want to perform the regex search. So let's say I want to perform the regex search. In this case, what I'm going to do is I will do it in the same way as I did for the fuzzy search, and this time I have to specify matching, then name of the attribute or the element, and in the single quotes I'm going to specify the regex. Okay, and here it is as 4. I will specify \d, which is for matching the digits. Now I will click on validate. It is able to identify. I will click on highlight. You can see it is able to match the element. But let's say if I remove this piece of selector and click on validate, then it will fail, and if I paste it back, then it will be able to identify the element, right? If I put \w, it will still be able to identify because \w represents the character and digits both. But if you want to specifically you look for digits, in that case you can use \d, which will look for only the number, right? I will copy this piece of code. I will close the UI Explorer, and then I'll go back to the UiPath. I will search highlight. I will open the selector, paste the piece of code, click on OK, and this time I will use gray, and I want to wait for 2 seconds again, so which is 2000 milliseconds. Now I will run the bot. You can see it is able to highlight these elements, right? So this is how you can perform the fuzzy search and regex search in the UiPath. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.